Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. If you can tell by the title, I'm super excited about this video. I placed my first order with Dua. Listen, I did not go in, okay, because my brain, y'all be shopping. I just do a little shopping. I don't even shop. I do a little shopping. And I didn't even know where to start, first of all. So the cedar fragrances that I did purchase, I only purchased two. Two. So to see the two fragrances I purchased, keep on watching. Okay, shout out to Plain Jane here on YouTube. Y'all, she is the Dua goat, okay? She is the reason why I purchased one of these fragrances. The shipping was a little longer than I expected. It kind of sat at the post office before it was shipped out for maybe a couple of days after I ordered. So I'm here. I'm excited. I placed this order because I watched one of her recent videos. That thing be busting them dual hauls out, honey. I can't even keep up. All right, so we open up the boxes together. So let's get into it really, really quick. I'm actually getting ready to head out to my boyfriend's aunt's 30th anniversary party. It's an all black party. So that's why I look all dolled up and things. Ooh, so this is what the packaging looks like. Ooh, got my peanuts in there, and I love the packaging. The packaging is super cute. So each fragrance come, if you're not familiar, each fragrance come in this packaging, its own little solo box, which is super cute and very unique. I haven't got anything from a company that has these cute little boxes. Like I said, I only purchased two fragrances. And I did take advantage of the sale. I think this is when they had, I think it was 30% off. Because of Plain Jane, I purchased the Banana Foster. So y'all, so here we go. Here's the box. Do it tell you the name of the perfume on the box? No. But the Dua brand. And let's get into it. Oh, it opens up like a little book. Oh, and this is the Banana Foster. So I went down the rabbit hole, but I didn't go too deep down the rabbit hole because y'all, that site has a lot of freaking fragrances that I don't even know if I can keep up. Y'all, forgive me. When I do my makeup, my nose itches and it's driving me nuts. Of course, it starts to itch when I start recording. I'm gonna take a Benadryl before I leave because I can't be scratching my nose all night long. But anyway, so here is Banana Foster. I should have got the notes. I thought the notes was gonna be on the box actually. Nope. So I will scroll the notes across the screen. So I have my little test strips here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray her out. They definitely said these are the type of fragrances that you have to give it a chance. You can't just go off the love at first, the first initial sniff if you don't like it. So we're gonna spray this one out. Ooh, I like her. I definitely smell, but it do smell like a banana dessert. Ooh, it smells like banana. It smells like caramel. Ooh, I like this. Okay, Miss Plain Jane girl. Okay, I'm with you on this. So I think we have the same kind of nose, the scent profile. So I kind of trust her judgment when it comes to fragrances because we have a lot of the same different fragrances in our collection. I like this. Okay, Banana Foster. I like you a lot. Ooh, she's good. All right, let's go ahead and get into the next one. This is the next fragrance. This is what she's looking like in the box. Now, this one, I don't think she had this one. This is one that I just went out on my own little rant to see if I was going to be interested in this one. So this is Sugared Lemons. I wanted to add this to my collection because I have a few other lemon fragrances in my collection. So y'all, let's get into her. This is one of the ones I purchased on my own. I don't think She has this one. It's just one of the ones I wanted to. I'm into like sugary lemon fragrances all of a sudden because I own Brown Sugar Babes Moolah. Y'all, that shit smells so freaking good. Y'all know I recently added ice lemon pound cake to my collection. So yeah. Mm. This is more fresh, like a fresh lemon. It definitely smells like sugared lemons. Ooh, I like this a lot. Mm-mm. Okay, Dawn. I'm impressed. I love both of these fragrances. Now I gotta go back down the rabbit hole. So to rate these two, I like them both. I like Banana Foster more than the lemon because I think this one can be like a just like a everyday around the house gym. You can put this fragrance in your car type scent, and this one is more of a delicious, yummy. I can make them eat me up like a piece of dessert type of feel. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But I definitely love them both. Both of these bottles are 34 mil. Like I said, I did take advantage of the 30% off sale. Now, I don't know if I'm going to want to spend the full price on these. I don't like it that much. But I definitely am pleased with my two purchases. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. Nice, short, and sweet. Because like I said, I didn't want to jump too deep into the rabbit hole. But I'm here now, so I might as well just keep on digging, okay? So again, thank you guys for watching. Hello to all my new subscribers. I love you guys so much. What's up to my OGs? Y'all already know what's good. Rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I just want to rip my damn nose off at this point and just get a new one. Jesus.